Hello, and in this video we are going to jump straight into the XRP and Bitcoin live chart. We have big patterns forming on the monthly, which could bring both of them to a very, very high price target. I have predictions on both of those. I also have an update on the XRP ETFs that are waiting on approval from the SEC. If that's something you're interested in, smash that like button, smash that bell notification, and let's get it. Okay, as you guys can see, we are still in this falling wedge on the monthly XRP chart. Now, if it breaks any minute now, which this is a very bullish pattern, you can expect to get about, see if it breaks. Let's see if it breaks right here, right now. It would send us all the way up to exactly, look at that number to the right, exactly $5, fellas. $5. That's where this pattern will bring us. It will probably take 2 to 3 weeks to get there. It wouldn't be a straight up boom, a bounce all the way up. Probably would take about 3 to 5 weeks like it did for this pump right here. It did take some time. It didn't happen in a day or two. And looking at the, let's see, looking at the 15-minute now, or I'm sorry, the hourly is what, or the 4 hours. Yeah, here we go. As you guys can see, we are still, it looks like forming a head and shoulders pattern here. Looks like it might be, I'm sorry about that one. It looks like it might be just consolidating now. Because of Easter, we are not really getting much movement, volume, liquidity. Everything is kind of halting. And yes, I did draw this right shoulder a little too big. I'm sorry. However, I was expecting, like on previous videos that you'll see above right here, we were about down right here when I said what we need to do is consolidate a little bit and then get a little pump up. That way it mirrors this side. Now this side, we got a drop down and a pump up, made a shoulder. And then we got the head. Now all we need is consolidate, get a shoulder down here, and pop back up. That would confirm an inverse head and shoulders. Now, what would be the price target on that one? Well, let's check it out. From the neckline to the break. Let's say it breaks right to here. Almost $2.66. I'm sure it would come all the way up to our resistance at 268 to 270. And probably get a rejection off that. The RSI will be way overbought. Bulls are going to be tired by that time. Bears will take over. Shorts will put a short in, make their bit of money off of the dip. So that is the price target for Bitcoin and XRP. Now let's take a quick look at the news. Okay, and as you can see on the title right here, it says XRP ETFs and a price surge. What to expect if the SEC gives a green light. Now let's go ahead and scroll down right here at the very top. They start off with the anticipation of the approval of XRP ETFs. The United States SEC growing rapidly. The price of the cryptocurrency may be on the cusp of a dramatic surge. According to a crypto analyst, ETFs could become the ideal driver for a continual price rally for the altcoin, fueled by a powerful combination of institutional demand and institutional adoption. Those two things. Now, at present, 9 companies, 9, have filed for the XRP ETFs in the United States. However, these filings are still under review and awaiting approval by the US SEC. Rumors are swirling that BlackRock, the world's largest asset bank manager. Now, under management, they manage about $11 trillion worth a year. Okay. They are preparing to launch their own XRP ETF. Okay. That's what the rumor is, supposedly. If true, this move could dramatically speed up both the demand shock and adoption rate of XRP. The influx of investor interest and the shift in sentiment, if the SEC greenlights the XRP ETF, would likely create upward pressure on the cryptocurrency's price and potentially driving it to new highs. What we want, of course, new highs. If you guys are still with me to the end, thank you very much. You can check out my latest stuff on the left. subscribe on the right. Till the next video, guys, y'all take care of yourself and each other.